Hey everybody, welcome to my channel again. Congratulations for getting this far. In this video, this is a bonus video for episode 2, and in this video we're going to add a third dimension to the orbits of these planets. As you know, this is operating generally in 3 dimensions already, but in our program the orbits are all on the 2-dimensional plane, and in the real world or in the real solar system the planets do not orbit on exactly the same plane like that. So let's go back to the script. There's only a few things to add here to make it work in 3 dimensions. Let's see. That's right. This isn't even the script we need to edit. Let's go back to Unity. In the original planet, the script that we made in video number 1, Orbit Rotator, that's the script we need to edit. Orbit Rotator. Alright, and in here, let's add 2 more if. Input.getAxis. And let's go for vertical this time. And same thing. So rotate forward and rotate backwards. So to do that, t.rotate. And axis in this case is vector3 left. It's the left axis. We're not rotating to the left. Times speed times time.delta time. And then this will be the same, but one of these gets a -1 attached to it. Okay. With everything else the same, if I rotate to the left and the right, then they all go on the same axis. But if I just momentarily now push the up just a little bit up, now all of a sudden they're off that XY plane. And now they all go in different directions. And although none of these is an exact simulation of our solar system, conceivably that's what a solar system could look like. And if you up a little bit more, then it doesn't look like it changed much at all, but it totally changed the plane of each of the planets. That's what it does every time. And if you want to see that, then let's make most of them disappear momentarily. Alright, so that one's going on that plane, on that pizza pie circle. And if I just push up a little bit, just tap it, it rotates just a little bit. And in fact, you can see it rotating around in that direction, around, not directly around the sun, but just changing its angle. And now it goes in a totally different pizza pie. Change it a little bit, and it rotates in a different direction. A little bit more, and it rotates in a totally different direction. And you can actually make it do some weird looping things. And if you want, you can kind of make them look like buzzing bees if you just go up and down and left and right. So you've got a swarming bee planetary system here. There we go. And now they're back to rotating in their own orbits. And if you start it over, then they'll all be in the same plane again. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. That was your bonus video. But I encourage you to play with this. And please let me know in the comments what kind of cool stuff you did with this, whether you liked it or not, and what else I could do for other videos to make fun Unity Playground stuff for you. Thanks for watching this, and thanks for watching my other videos. And if you liked it, leave a like and a subscribe down below. Thanks, take care.